Hey there, home cooks. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Welcome back to the channel. It's always great to have you here. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on our weekly delicious, quick and easy recipes. We have so many exciting dishes lined up for you. Your support means the world to me. Every like, comment, and share helps us grow and bring more tasty recipes to your kitchen. All right, let's dive right in. I can't wait to show you this recipe. Today, I'm sharing a super quick and easy recipe for pub cheese dip that you can whip up in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 minutes. Perfect for game day, parties, or just snacking at home. It's a crowd pleaser that everyone will love. First, let's go over the ingredients. You will need a few simple items that you probably already have in your kitchen. 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, shredded. The sharper the cheese, the better the flavor. 1/2 cup of cream cheese, softened. This will give our dip a creamy, smooth texture. 1/4 cup of beer, any kind you like. The beer adds a unique depth of flavor. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. This will give our dip a nice savory kick. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. It adds a subtle smokiness and a beautiful color. A pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These will enhance all the other flavors. Got all that? Awesome. Now let's get to the fun part. Now let's make this dip. It's so easy, you'll be amazed. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the shredded cheddar cheese and softened cream cheese. Make sure the cream cheese is really soft so it blends well. Use a spatula to mix them together until they're well combined. This might take a minute, but it's worth it for that smooth texture. Step 2. Pour in the beer. The beer not only adds flavor, but also helps to make the dip nice and creamy. The beer adds a fantastic depth of flavor and helps to smooth out the dip. You can use any beer you like, from a light lager to a rich stout. Stir it in until it's fully incorporated. You want the mixture to be smooth and creamy. Step 3. Sprinkle in the garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. These spices will take the flavor to the next level. Give it a good mix until all the spices are evenly distributed. You want every bite to be packed with flavor. You should see a nice, creamy consistency at this point. It should look smooth and delicious. Step 4. Taste your dip and adjust the seasonings if needed. This is your chance to make it perfect. You can add more salt, pepper, or even a bit more garlic powder if you like it extra garlicky. Make it your own. Step 5. Transfer your pub cheese dip into a serving bowl and garnish with a little extra paprika for that pop of color. It makes it look as good as it tastes. Grab some pretzels, crackers, or veggie sticks for dipping, and you're ready to go. This dip goes well with just about anything. And there you have it, folks. A delicious pub cheese dip made in just 3 minutes. Perfect for any occasion. A delicious pub cheese dip made in just 3 minutes. Perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a party, a game day, or just a casual snack, this dip is sure to be a hit. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Your support helps us keep bringing you great content. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy cooking. Enjoy your delicious pub cheese dip.